Yeah, good morning, guys. So today the topic is all about Linux command, okay, which we are going to be inbuilt in DevOps. Okay, so guys, you know that if you don't have any Linux terminal, you need to install your Ubuntu. Okay, so you need to be install your Ubuntu, and in that Ubuntu you need to open the Ubuntu command, right? And there you need to run the all the commands, whatever related to the Linux. Okay. So now the today topic is all about Linux command. So guys, I know that already you know about. I know that you already know about so many commands. है ना? So here we are not going to be aware with all the command. Here what we will do, we will go with the our command only, which is used by DevOps. So the first one is PWD, present working directory. Means this command is going to use for to show where are you. So we are in home terminal, right? So this path is locating that I'm in this place. Okay. Next, ls minus la. What this will do? What this command will do? This command is going to be view files and hidden files. This command is going to view all the files which was created by you and which was stored in your the path, and also it will going to show you the hidden file. Next one is mkdir. Suppose I was writing DevOps. So what this file is doing, basically, this file is going to create my folder. Let's keep ls. So see, DevOps is there, this folder stored in my terminal, right? Before DevOps, there is a document, there is a download, first, music, my project, pictures. This all are stored as a folder. But now what we did, I import DevOps as my another folder, right? So cd DevOps. What happened? Here you can see the path. So the path was still here, terminal temple. But now it stores DevOps also. So cd DevOps is doing what? cd DevOps is, suppose I was here right now, okay, and this is my another folder. This is my another folder. But my current working directory is this. Yes, present working directory is this. I want to go inside this folder. So just I need to write cd DevOps. Now my current PWD will be show like this. What PW is going to be show? PWD is going to show you I was in the DevOps, home terminal DevOps. Before it was showing like home terminal, right? Let's say. Now, guys, this is about like enter the folder, right? है ना? So basically, you know what basically we are going to do in the DevOps, guys. Let me show you one thing. Basically, what we will do in DevOps. First thing, we are going to check the so many folders. Suppose one of the so many folders. This is my server. Assume that this is my server. This one, big one is server. Inside my server, I was storing folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, 6, 5, 4. Now, what is the next step in DevOps? We will check the file inside the folder or outside the folder. What we are doing now, sometimes we are storing the files without any folder, and sometimes we are storing the file within the folder, within the folder. But sometimes we are not using any folder. We are just importing the file into my desktops or my download storage. Next step, what we will do? We are going to create the DevOps practice folder. Maybe that folder is going to be stored inside this, inside this, or inside this, or inside this. I don't know. But we are going to be stored another folder, which is going to known as practice folder. After that, if you want to check your folder was there or not, just we need to write cd folder. That's it. Once you write cd folder name, you will going to view your current folder, whatever you created. Okay. Then if I created this folder, for what purpose I was creating? To store the file, right? So what I will do, I will just create my one of the file, guys. I will going to create one of the file. So now touch app.txt. Sorry, ls command. So here you can see app.txt. Now what is happening here? When I run ls command here, it was showing number of things, right? But coming to here, it was showing only one thing. That the thing is app.txt. Why? This ls both are same, but why it was showing the different output? Because here my present working directory is DevOps, but previously my present working directory is terminal. Whatever the DevOps, I created the folder mkdir DevOps. That folder was created, and under that folder, I just store my app.txt, right? cd space now pwd. Sorry, now ls. So here you can see number of folders or number of files are there, right? Yes, including everything. But it was not showing you that file app.txt. Why? Because that was stored in DevOps. Okay, got it till now? Understand? So just what we did, we just written the cd space dot dot, which means we came back, or I can say I just come from outside of the folder, right? Now I want to go again into the folder. So cd DevOps. That's it. We are in current DevOps. Now ls, we are getting only one file. If you want to create another file like touch my.txt, you can create it, guys. Now guys, what we will do? We will write echo again. Echo. Now we will change the content like I want to mention learning Linux. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just mention app.txt. Now we will see cat command. So here what is happening now, whatever the content we mentioned, that content is replaced with the another content, right? Yes, yes or no? Now I want to do what? I want to not to delete the previous content. I want to add new content to the previous content. Here what is happening? Whenever we are mentioning this command, so our previous content is getting deleted, right? Hello world is getting deleted and new content is going to be take place like learning Linux. Now what we will do? I don't want to delete. Now my current content is learning Linux, not hello DevOps. So my current content is learning Linux and I want to add hello DevOps also. So how we are going to do? So that is very simple, guys. You need to come here, you need to change the content here like hello DevOps first. Okay, hello DevOps done. Here we need to mention two times. So now you can go with cat app text. So what is happening? What is happening? Something is getting changed, right? Hello DevOps. Hello world. Now we will see what will going to be happen. That is also entering, right? Acha, take care. Sir, can you do another arrow? Can we do another arrow mention? Now what is happening? This is also we will going to see. Hello worlds. That is not correct thing. Yes, there is not going to be store the content on your file if you mention like that. Okay. So this is what we are doing right now. Now, so the next one is add more data. है ना? That is also done. Now we will do what? We will copy the file. cp app dot text backup dot text. So what is happening? Let's check. Okay, that's fine. How to check? ls. So here what is happening? Uh, Previously we created two files, right? App.text, my.text. But there is another cave that is backup. Yes or no? So to copy, if I want to do any copy, we need to use CP. And you know what? Coming to the copy, there is a two files. One file which is file I want to do copy. The second file is I want to do copy to that file. Yes? Yes or no? So the first file is going to be showing you that this is your current file and this file is going to show you that that is your backup. That is your second file. Okay. Now I want to rename my file to for that mv space backup your backup.text. This is your current copy file, right? Now what you will do? You will going to write like new backup.text. Again write ls. So the whatever the backup text is there, that will going to be replaced with the new backup text. Yes, understand? Yes or no? Now what we will do? Now what we will do? Now it's our task is we are going to create a folder in another folder, inside another folder. mkdir logs. Khatam. Just ls mkdir. It will not going to display here. mv new backup dot text logs dash. Now what is happening? Whatever the content in this, that is going to be stored in this logs. This log is there, right? Yes. You want to check ls logs. So here you can see new backup.txt. Yes or no? So हमने क्या किया था previously what was there? Whatever the file we are having, just we copy all the data to the backup.txt. Now what we did, we just renamed the backup.txt with the new backup.txt. Now what we did, we created another folder inside one folder. So for that the command is very simple. You need to mention mkdir log. Yes, with that what will going to be happen? We are going to create another folder inside your current folder. Now you need to write mb space new backup dot text log. Now what you will do, what you are going to understand, you are going to be say like mb is going to use for move all the information or all the things is going to be moved to the new file or new folder, right? So this is happened here. Just we mention ls logs, so you can see this is the thing is happening here. Cat new backup.txt. No such file directly was showing. Yes, that is the file. But it was showing that no such file characters. Now what we will do? ls logs. Done. Now what we will do? Just we will go with ls space la. So here you can see number of things whatever we did. Okay. View hidden files. Search world in files. If I want to search any word in our file, how to do? Grep, grep, you know, suppose I was writing Linux app.txt. It is showing unsupported command. What it is showing? Unsupported command. Yes or no? So guys, here you can see unsupported command grep because Linux is different and this Linux is different. Now what I will do? I will use grep command again and now I will write like world. Now again it is showing the terminal. Okay, page. So with help of this and with help of grep command, you are going to find the this word on your file. So right now it was not working maybe because of online terminal. This is online terminal, that's why, right? So these two commands are also very important here. And guys, if you want to check any memory, that is also you can do. But I don't know in this free terminal it will going to be work or not. So unsupported command free space minus n is going to check your RAM. It is going to monitor your RAM, you know, how much RAM you are using. So to check the disk space, you need to mention this command df space -h. It is going to check the storage. Free -m is going to check about memory. This is going to check about space. How many processors are running? Yes, AUX. Right now it was showing you unsupported command because we all are in online terminal, right? But once you install your Ubuntu, once you run everything in that Ubuntu, you are going to get the proper outcomes. That for sure. Okay. Top command. Top command is going to show you from top. Okay. Now, if you want to check your IP address, that is also not going to be visible here. So now if you want to run this so many command, so where you will do guys? You need to install your Linux command, Linux source, where you can run your Linux command properly, right? So that we will try to do in the next class. I hope you understand the basic whatever the commands we are using in DevOps. No need to learn everything, guys. You need to just learn basic. It's enough. Hmm? Okay. Thank you for your time.